What's up guys, Carson Johns here. Today we're doing a video that I'm not excited for. Actually I am, but I'm gonna get sick. The 200 chicken nugget, actually 100 each. But 200 chicken nugget challenge in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna die at this probably. I'm gonna get a heart attack I bet, but that's alright. So, we're gonna split it. They gave us 20 extra chicken nuggets for some reason, so it's really 220 chicken nuggets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we get 11 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These are mine, the rest are yours. Great, dude. Then I got sweet and sour sauce for days because this stuff's fire, not gonna lie.
It is.
Have you not tried it? Thought. Start the timer.
Ready?
Actually, I'm gonna get prepped, hold up. I'm gonna open like 4 for now. Okay, ready? What are you doing? That's cheating.
Putting 20 in one.
Yep.
So I can put the sauce in the other.
You have to do that mid-challenge, man.
As you open 16 sauces.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Start the timer.
Okay.
I'm eating maybe 10 freaking chicken nuggets, dude.
Maybe 10.
Yeah. I'm a slow eater, man.
Okay, bet. Ready?
Mmm, yummy, yummy. Okay, start it.
Stopwatch.
Okay, we get it. I'm hungry, dude. They're gonna get cold at your rate.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh no.
Mmm. These are some crunchy chicken nuggets.
They are.
Mmm. That's what I call victory royale. We should have got liquid. But you don't even know how long these took to get. Where's raw? Make you sure. Oh boy! This is rough. Yo, I'm going triple mode, dude. Gotta wet the throat a little bit. Leave it open for speed. I'm dead, dude. Where are we at?
250.
Oh, great, dude. I bet you in 10. Okay, bees. He's in the sicko mode stage. He's not talking, dude. That was the one-shot one.
That's 10.
I'm saying, dude. Dude, what the is up with this chicken nugget?
I want that one.
I'm not eating that one. What are we at?
What time?
You gotta check.
6.
Oh, are you filling up, mate? Oh! Mate is filling it up.
Hey Siri. FaceTime Will Lloyd. Hey Will. You want some chicken nuggets? Because huh?
Why?
So essentially, what happened, right, is like ordered go too many.
How do you accidentally do that?
So essentially, we went to McDonald's, right? Then ordered 200 chicken nuggets. So we're tryhards. Just kidding, because for a freaking YouTube video.
Is it just you and Carson eating them?
But essentially, we have like 160 left. Yeah, getting filled up.
I'm not. I'm feeling, dude.
So we can come drop you off some chicken nuggets.
Sure.
And your family.
Yeah, honestly.
And the neighbors.
And all of Africa.
Alright, bet. See you soon.
Alright, thank you guys.
Bye.
It's FaceTime Easton now. FaceTime Easton.
Oh yes, dude, I can't wait.
He doesn't know about this?
No. Wait, did he? Oh, he kind of does, huh?
Hey, Easton.
What's up?
Hey, Easton.
What's up?
You want some chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Cause you want to see what happened?
What?
So like essentially, we ordered some chicken nuggets.
Okay.
And we have a ton extra. You want some?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, we'll come drop you some off soon.
Yeah, you better.
Okay,
Oh, good.
Peace out.
Hey Carson.
Huh?
Hey Carson. Can you roast battle hate page on you? It's legit called Carson Studio and he's like,
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, boy, you better stop. Okay. Okay, see you soon. Goodbye.
Boys, our 10 minutes is up. 10:55.
Nope. 9 minutes, let's go. 1 more minute, baby.
9 minutes, baby.
No.
Imagine.
El Bato. My stomach hurts.
Are we taking your car? My stomach hurts too.
Because I got my license.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take a massive film, dude.
You do? Or you're gonna?
I'm gonna.
I know. I call the bathroom first.
No. Hey. 30 seconds.
Video's 20 minutes long. Just let's see. 15 seconds remaining.
Wait a minute. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, Oh!
25 nuggets, yeah.
25 and a half. Here's the remains. All of those chicken nuggets. And a lot of sauce. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. So, we weren't supposed to eat 200 nuggets. That wasn't fair. We could have done it if there was 100. Yo, buckle up. This car doesn't move till you buckle. Jeez.
Sorry that I have 200 chicken nuggets on my lap.
No. Only 150. So, we're gonna go have a nice little party. We're going to Easton's first.
Sure.
Okay, we're going to Easton's house. And we're gonna have a nice little party over there, man. And Easton's gonna eat some nice little chicken nuggets.
Should we get clips of them all eating their nuggets?
They can pop a nugget in their mouth, dude.
Alright, bet. See you there. What's up, Bees? You want some nuggies or something? How many do you want?
I don't care.
And ranging anywhere from 10 to 130.
130 chicken nuggets, 10.
Just 10?
No, we need to give them all away.
Go to Aubrey's house.
Anywhere from 50 to 130. Do like 100.
100.
Man, they're gonna eat 100 chicken nuggets. Here, I'll start loading you up. Here you go, man.
Should I park and then I'll help them carry? Do you need help carrying them in?
No, I can just make chicken nuggets too.
Okay,
Okay, how many do you actually want?
100. We're dropping 70.
10,
You want some
20,
sweet and sour sauce too?
No, I'm good, Chief.
We have
I don't like
too
it.
many, bro.
How much money did you spend?
$50. Hey, Will. Want some chicken nuggets, sir?
Easton took 70. How many?
No,
do
he
you
took
want?
60.
60.
How much do you want?
Well, we got Cody and Holly, and then Justin. Justin's gonna eat like 70.
Okay,
This
okay.
will probably eat like 20.
Just give me like 60 or something.
All right. Pop them up, dude. Pop this bad boy up.
Dude, these things, they're spilling, dude.
You
I'm
want
not
any
gonna lie.
sauces, man? We only have sweet and sour.
We're good, man.
That's 40.
Okay, bees.
60.
What a beast, dude.
I'm going out.
See you on the next one. Love you.
Remember that you're our friend.
Okay. So that's gonna be it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, then leave a like and comment down below. But I'll see you next time. Peace.